Here we are at Pierre Roussard Secondary School in Tremblay. We help secondary schools with the maintenance of their green spaces. We're in charge of mowing the grass, both with grass collection and mulching. But we also do pruning work, brush cutting, all the different gardening jobs that need to be done on school grounds, picking up leaves, weeding, but also planting. In the department of Seine, all 125 secondary schools exclusively use the Etesia brand. What seems to me to be important in a lawnmower, it's that it be sturdy, powerful, comfortable to use and practical. The mower must be easy to access for maintenance and cleaning. It has to be simple and practical. We maintain the green spaces all year round, whatever the season. From the spring on, we mow the grass, clear the rougher areas, even cutting down long grass in some cases. In the other seasons, we do a lot of cutting hedges, pruning fruit trees, picking up dead leaves.
Entretien, genre ramassage de feuilles, des choses comme ça.